Hey y'all, this is a 10-minute That Girl Flow made to help you with your posture, opening your heart, hip mobility, balance, feminine strength, and step into your main character energy. My name is Leah and I'll be your yoga instructor for this session, so let us begin. Namaste. You're going to sit comfortably with your hands softly rested on your knees. You're going to lengthen your spine as if somebody is gently lifting you from the crown of your head, and you're going to relax your shoulders away from your ears. You're going to gently close your eyes as you deeply inhale through your nose and exhale out of your mouth. Continue to deep breathe as you allow your jaw to soften and imagine you stepping into the most peaceful version of yourself with this affirmation. I choose to make my life beautiful, intentional, and full of joy. You're going to transition into a tabletop position, and as you inhale, you're going to broaden across your collarbones, lift your gaze, and create space through the front of your body in cow pose. And as you exhale, you're going to round your spine, drawing in your navel inward while releasing any pressure you're carrying in cat pose. As you synchronize your breath and your movement, let each movement become softer than the last, and imagine polishing away any stress with every exhale with this affirmation. Softness is my strength. You're going to transition back into that tabletop position and reach your right arm towards the ceiling and open across the chest before gently weaving your arm underneath the body and rest your shoulder and your temple onto the mat. Instead of forcing the stretch, you're going to melt into it and breathe into the spaces behind your heart as you relax your body. And you're going to switch sides with this affirmation. I create space for peace to enter into my life. You're going to transition by stepping your right foot forward and lowering your back knee and sweeping both arms overhead. In this low lunge, I want you to imagine sunlight pouring through your fingertips as you lengthen upward before gently sinking into your hips. Take small side bends to open through your waist and lift your heart without compressing your lower back. And you're going to switch sides with this affirmation. I welcome new opportunities with my open heart. You're going to transition by shifting your hips back and straightening the front leg while keeping a soft bend in the knee. Lengthen through the spine first before folding, and rather than reaching for your toe, imagine your chest reaching forward. And you're going to switch sides with this affirmation. I move through life with patience and grace. You're going to transition by stepping your feet wide and turning your toes out as you sink into goddess pose. Make sure you're drawing your knees over your ankles and lifting through your chest. You're going to reach your arms into cactus pose and pulse gently with control as you feel grounded while remaining elegant. And at this time, be open to this affirmation. I am magnetic because I'm fully embracing who I am. You're going to transition by straightening your legs in star pose and expand through your fingertips. And then slowly return to goddess pose as you continue to flow between the two, and think of this movement as you're opening yourself to receiving everything you've been calling in, and move with intention instead of speed as you absorb this affirmation. Life gets to feel expensive, beautiful, and exciting to me. You're going to transition by standing tall and shifting your weight into your left foot, and you're going to reach back for your right and keep your knees close together before pressing the foot into your hand. And instead of thinking about lifting your leg, focus on lifting your heart. Remember that your chest leads this pose and your standing leg should stay strong. And you're going to switch sides with this affirmation. I trust myself to bloom beautifully in every season. You're going to release and interlace your fingers behind your back and fold forward into standing forward fold as you allow the gravity to open your shoulders, soften your neck, and you're going to shake your head yes. And then you're going to shake your head no. Release all expectations, perfection, and simply breathe as you absorb this affirmation. I release what no longer aligns with the person I'm becoming today. You're going to transition by sitting comfortably with the soles of your feet together, and you're going to hold your feet like you're holding something precious. Lengthen your spine and maybe sway side to side just a little bit, and close your eyes. And I want you to picture your life as if it's already unfolding. Notice how your body feels lighter, how your breathing has slowed down, and your energy has softened as you absorb this affirmation. I romanticize my life by being fully present for it. I am worthy of beautiful moments, peaceful mornings, meaningful relationships, and my life feels like home. Right now, I choose joy, softness, and I choose me. At this time, thank yourself for showing up to this yoga session. You are worthy of investing in your mind, body, and soul. If this video helped you, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with somebody who may need a pause in their day. Now move forward with elegance, grace, and balance. Namaste.